Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Pick 6 fresh palm leaves, each 60 to 90 centimeters, and trim off the stiff midrib so strips bend. Once cut, soak or steam the strips for 10 to 20 minutes to make them pliable. This prevents cracking when you bend. Make 1 to 2 centimeter wide strips. Align 3 primary strips in a star pattern and tie a tight slip knot at the center so the knot locks tension. Make sure to keep even strip lengths. Uneven strips create lopsided shape later. Continue by weaving around the central knot, using an over-under pattern and keeping overlaps at roughly 0.5 to 1 centimeter so the sphere stays tight. Once a single round is complete, rotate the developing ball and add new strips by inserting ends beneath existing layers. This builds thickness and curvature. Keep tension steady. If you pull too hard, strips snap, and too loose makes gaps. Use a spare strip as a temporary clamp to hold emerging layers, while you work the opposite side to maintain a true spherical curve. Finish by tucking each final strip end securely beneath 2 to 3 adjacent layers, then trim excess to about 0.5 centimeters so nothing catches. Once tucked, compress the ball gently with your palms to set the curvature and let it air dry. Applying a thin coat of oil or clear lacquer will stiffen and preserve the shape. If the weave loosens, don't panic. Undo the last 2 rounds, retension the strips, and retuck. This restores uniform tension and prevents future unraveling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.